Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Today we are going to make Lauki ki Muthiya. Lauki is also known as Doodhi, Ghiya or bottle gourd, and it is one of the healthiest vegetables. This is one of the famous Gujarati dish that can be prepared for breakfast, lunch or as a tea time snack. Steamed and stir-fried with very little oil. This is sure to please you. Into a bowl, let's take wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा, besan or gram flour, Sooji or semolina, salt to taste, turmeric or haldi powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder or dhania, hing or Asafoetida, Ajwain or caraway seeds, baking soda, little Garam Masala. Mix all the dry ingredients nicely. Next, I'll add some grated Lauki or bottle gourd, grated ginger, finely chopped coriander leaves, little oil. Combine everything together and bind the dough. Lauki contains lots of water, so don't add extra water and try to combine with bottle gourd to make a soft dough. And this dough is ready. I'm going to grease my hands with little oil. Take some dough and roll it into a cylindrical shape, like this. Let's make rest of the cylinders. Now we will steam our muthiyas. If you don't have a steamer like this, then you can use your idli cooker to steam it. I have some water boiling in a pan. Let's put our steamer. I'm going to line it with some cabbage leaves so that the dough doesn't stick to the bottom. You can also use butter paper. And then place the muthiyas. Let me put another layer. Cover it with the lid. You can replace Lauki with cabbage, fenugreek leaves or spinach and then make the muthiyas. They taste equally delicious. At medium flame, I'm going to steam it for 20 minutes and keep checking the level of water. Add extra if needed. Let's open and check. You can see they have increased in size and it's not sticky from outside. Let me insert a toothpick. See, the toothpick came out clean. This means they are cooked perfectly. Let's take it out. The dough didn't stick to the cabbage leaves. You can see they are clean. Let these cool and then we will cut it into bite-sized pieces. Cut it into slices. They have turned out super soft and spongy. I have sliced all of them. Let's prepare a simple tadka. This will make the muthiyas a bit crisp from outside. Into the same pan, let's add little oil, cumin or jeera, mustard or rye, hing or asafoetida, red chilies, some curry leaves. Stir it. Next, I'm going to add sesame seed or til. Stir it and roast for 1 minute. Sesame seeds give a nice crunch and taste to it. Next, some spice powders, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander or dhania. Roast for a few seconds. This will give nice color to our muthiyas. Let's add our sliced muthiyas. Mix it nicely so that they are completely coated with the masala. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until the sides are lightly brown. Next, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves, little chaat masala and lemon juice. Stir it and our muthiyas are ready. Serve it with any kind of chutney, tea or even curry tastes superb with this. Try it out and let me know your experience in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Eat healthy and stay happy. See See you next time. Bye bye.